How to design 3D. Printing 3D model. In minutes. How we developed this. Generate Python, free CAD, scripts. White heavy checkmark generate open SCAD code. White heavy checkmark generate Blender script. White heavy checkmark modify existing scripts. White heavy checkmark explain errors. White heavy checkmark parametric design suggestions. White heavy checkmark dimension math and geometry logic. Could you imagine this result? Or this? Or amazing F-35 example? Using any of this free artificial intelligence tools. Steps. Brainstorming. Edit prompt. Copy script. Paste in CAD and see the amazing results. All of these CAD software are free and accepting script to design 3D models. You just need at least 32 GB USB driver to install the AI offline assistant and the free CAD software. Insert the USB drive into your laptop or PC, then next. The computer will transform to AI robotics obeys your commanders. 2. Design 3D model. Generate Python, free CAD, scripts. Generate open SCAD code. Generate Blender script. Modify existing scripts. Explain errors. Parametric design suggestions. Dimension math and geometry logic. Thanks. This Ayman Koshawi from Binary Code Soft.